a while ago, this is very important. We read an article in class, and it was about the North Pacific garbage patch.
Oh boy.
And these patches of garbage are so big. It said in the article, there's 2 of these patches in one gyre. These patches are each 2 times the size of Texas. So combined, they are 4 times the size of Texas. And they have been there for so long because they're in the middle of the North Pacific Ocean, which is the biggest ocean. So that's where a lot of trash is going. They've been there for so long, the plastic has had time to decompose. And it is creating microplastics, which, if you scoop them up, it's just gonna also catch other microorganisms, which is extremely deadly to the environment because these organisms are key in the ecosystem. All this trash, and it's affecting every animal, not just penguins. It's like all the marine life. And they even say plastic is the #1 thing that is damaging the marine life. So plastic is very, very harmful.